Hey guys, it's Devin. How's it going? Today I wanted to show you some press-on nails that I got from SHEIN and show you how to apply them. So overall, I was pretty impressed with these for the price. They were around $3 to $7 each. They're definitely on the cheaper side compared to other press-on nails, a little more thin and some of them a little more translucent, but overall for how cheap they were, I was pretty impressed. The matte color was really pretty. The shorter ones with more detail were also really cute. These were actually my favorite. I really liked the white flames, and this shape was a little more natural and I felt like looked the most realistic, like actual acrylics. Again, for the price, $3 to $7, they aren't too bad. I would say they're pretty good if you're wanting to put them on and do a photo shoot or do some editorial work. Maybe you have an event or something that you're going to and you want your nails to look nice, but you don't want to get them done. They actually, I think, would last for a few days. The adhesive was pretty strong, but they didn't look that natural. You kind of could see my natural nail, or you could see that they were a little bit bigger than my nail. So overall, I think these are good if you're doing something and people aren't going to be that up close looking at your nails. These ones were really cute, and I think they are really spring and summer-ish, but they were really clear on the flowers, so you definitely could see my natural nail, and it also didn't come with a file. The adhesive was a little harder to get off on these ones too, so I actually did like the actual SHEIN brand better than this one. But I thought the color and the art on these were really cute. So what you want to do first is fit each nail to your natural nail bed. They do come with a lot of different shapes and sizes, and there's a lot of each, so it wasn't too hard to find some that fit. It also comes with a little nail file, so you can kind of file the top of each nail because some of them do have a little ledge where you can tell they were connected. Before starting, you want to get your nail beds clean and push back your cuticles and then apply the adhesive. So these ones had a little lip where you could pull the plastic off. It was really easy to apply, and again, the adhesive was really strong. I was actually super impressed with how strong it was. I wouldn't recommend putting these on and then taking them right off. It kind of hurt and it left my nail underneath a little scuffed. So overall, I would say if you're gonna wear them, try to let them naturally fall off or let the adhesive kind of break down. So I think it could last at least a day, maybe even 2 days if you're not being too rough. They do feel like press-ons, so again, if you're not used to wearing press-ons, they're a little different. You definitely want to be careful and not rip them off. But I was surprised with how easy this adhesive was to put on compared to other brands that I've tried. I would recommend starting with whatever hand you normally write with. So I'm right-handed and I started with my left hand, and it was a little more difficult to put them on my right hand. So I should have actually started putting them on my right hand first, and if you're left-handed, put them on your left hand first. That makes it a little bit easier to do the other side. Again, just kind of file around the top any little ledges. Some of these weren't exactly the same shape. I guess that's what you get for buying press-on nails that are $3. So some of them I kind of had to blend and round so that they matched. I also didn't do the best job of matching the nails to my natural nail, but again, I think if I was wearing these just to take some pictures or go somewhere where people wouldn't really be staring at my actual nails, you wouldn't really be able to tell. They actually, in pictures that I took of my hands, looked pretty good. Up close in this video, they do look a little bigger, but in person they blended with my hand a little bit better. So there you go, guys, pretty easy. Again, I would try not to rip them off right after you put them on, and definitely use a little cuticle pusher to take them off if they are starting to fall off. But overall, they weren't too bad. Definitely on the cheap side, but if you're wanting to just spend $3, they aren't too bad. I hope you guys liked this. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.